guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making an easy and elegant display stand. So what you're going to need, you'll need some of these teardrop pendants. They are from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now from Dollar Tree, you will need one of these fishbowl shaped candle holders. You'll also need 2 packs of the round Tealight holders. If you cannot find the round Tealight holders at Dollar Tree, you can use whatever size they have, whatever shape they have in stock, or you could use some thrifted Tealight holders of your choice. Now I will be using hot glue on this project, but if you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. If I decide to use additional items, I will list those in the description box below for you as well. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this easy, elegant decorative display stand turn out absolutely beautifully? This was so easy to make. Now, it's very versatile. Let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and family. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.